Welcome to DBMS class. Today we are going to discuss about the relational data model full details. So relational data model was developed by the Dr. E.F. Codd in the year of 1970. So relational data model is based on the relational mathematical theory concept. So next now we are going to discuss about what is a relational database. So in relational database the data is organized within a table called as a relation. Table is a composed of intersection of rows and columns, that is it contains horizontal lines and vertical lines called as a table or relation. So next we will discuss about the basic concepts of relational data model. So first one, relation is nothing but a table. So table is called as a relation. So data is organized within a rows and columns in relational databases, so that is called as a cells. So next, tuple. So tuple is also called as a record. So record means it is a collection of information which represents the or which describes the a person or a place or anything. So observe this diagram. So in this diagram, so 1001 hall ticket number details, 1002 hall ticket number details, 1003 hall ticket number details are examples for tuples or records. So next, attributes. So attributes means characteristics of a data is called as an attribute. For example, if you are taking a student details, so a student having hall ticket number, name and course, so these are called as an attributes of a student details. So next one, domain. So domain means a set of possible values of all the same types. So for example, if you are taking hall ticket number, so hall ticket number column within the student table will taking the only number type of data. So this all possible number type of data is called as a domain. So domain means a set of all possible values of all the same type of a particular column within a table. So next one, schema. Schema is nothing but so description of database relations and the relationships existed within the database. So next one, key. Key is used to identify for each relations tuple. So it is an attribute. Key is an attribute which is used to uniquely identify each row within a table. For example, if you are taking student details, so in student details hall ticket number is a key. So in hall ticket number column each value having a unique value. So next, observe this diagram. So in this diagram, so student details contains different types of data. So here data is organized as a rows wise called as a tuples or records, and each row having different values vertically, that is called as a columns. So next we will discuss about the query language. So query language is nothing but a language which is used to request to the database regarding to access the information from the database. So languages are classified as a two types, procedural and non-procedural language. So first of all, we'll discuss about the procedural language. So in procedural language, so here user instructing to the system to perform the sequence of operations on the database to compute the desired result to the user. So once again I am repeating. So in procedural language, user instructing to perform sequence of operations on the database to compute the desired result to the user. So next, non-procedural language. So in non-procedural language, the user is describing what data is required without specifying how to get that data, or without specifying sequence of operations, or without specifying any process.